जो ओरिएंटेशन सेशन कल बोला था, इससे रिमाइंडर दे रही 4 to 5 है नेहरू ब्रांच में। यहाँ ओरिएंटेशन जिसका भी एक सब्जेक्ट का टेस्ट सीरीज है उनके लिए, और आरएमओ का टेस्ट है वो कंपल्सरी सबको देना है। वो तो 10 बजे, यहाँ पे 9:45 का आपका रिपोर्टिंग टाइमिंग है। टेस्ट टाइम टेबल सबको दिख रहा है? हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल सर। आरएमओ
periodic test 9
शायद ये आरएन की वजह से आगे फिजिक्स और मैथ्स शायद किया होगा।
Good evening. A lot of people are missing. They will back. Where is your friend? Absent? I don't know. How are you? No, I can't. But today my friend, your favorite. Those who did homework at home, please sit down. Did you hear my sentence? Once again, all of you stand up. Once again, all of you stand up. Those who did the homework at home. Slowly. Those are not done the homework. Those are done the homework standard. These are not done the homework standard. Yes, sir. What was the homework? Sir, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That exercise to 5.2. Yes, sir. 5.2 completed all of you? Yes, sir. There is looking around there. She doesn't know which exercise only. You know. Done now? This for me? Yes, sir. Isha, you done the homework? You did it yourself? Today 3 something, but not this way. You are going to do something. Who did? Mommy did. Ritu, in between 1 minute you do this. What is? What? Have you done all the homework?
One question is wrong.
You copy down all the answers. Srishti, you are done the homework? You are done or not done? But what she is telling you is not exercise to make up for you. Done. Now, how many doubts are there? One doubt. Others please stand up. Others please stand up. What happened to you? What is who said? You. What happened? What did you do? You people are telling all the day what will presentation. That doesn't. I thought presentation is here. And Ritu, why you didn't do this will take out the job. You take out the physical. Where's my mark on the they will get full mark and you will get mark and you why you are sit down. What was your problem?
Sir, I started doing the homework today, but I'm feeling nauseous and dizzy, so I wasn't able to.
You are unwell. Oxygen now.
Yes, sir.
Oh, madam, done the homework now?
Yes, sir.
You got the books? Okay. Doraemon. More is Let's start with the exercises now. Don't leave the page. Okay. What is your doubt?
Question number 4 and question number 8.
First of all of you know. Vaishnavi Prasad. We are very happy to do. Very Transfer fee are completed, all of you? All the questions of transfer fee are done? So if you stand up, there's an exchange also will be there. You'll be coming over here. If I see your office,
Next, change again.
okay, be quiet. Otherwise, if you're talking means you wanted to come and sit down here. Chalo, all right, okay. Okay, now read the question. What is it now? Fourth question.
Without solving.
Without solving.
Without solving the quadratic equation.
Nidhi, no? No. Without solving the quadratic equation?
Without solving the quadratic equation, 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Find whether x equals to 2 upon 3.
X equal to 2 upon 3.
The solution of this equation are not.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Replace x equal to 2 upon 3. So 6 times 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 minus 2 is equal to LHS. That is equal to 6 times 4 by 9 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. This is cancelled, so 1 3 will go, 2 is there, 3 will be there. So what we get? 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3, 6 by 3 minus 2. That is equal to 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, which is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 3 is a solution. Understood or not? Why question is wrong? Question is not wrong. It may be solution, may not be solution. Okay. Question is not wrong in any case. Okay now. Your problem solved? Okay. Cool. What is your doubt? Read. Minus
3 graphing x plus is equal to 0 and the equation
px square
is minus qx plus 9
qx plus 9
is equal to 0 and the value of p and
so first is 3 now.
Yes.
So first is x is equal to 3 is the root of equation 1.
x
Acha 2. Confused. What is the answer? 2 is the root now. So of equation 1, replace x is equal to 2 here. So when it is replacing only at 3 times 2 square minus p times 2 plus 1. 12 minus 3p. Okay. Substitute p is equal to 4 over here. So what will you get here? So 4 p 4 not p square 4x square. And given its equation as equal roots. So equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. How many people are talking? Q square minus 144 or Q square equal to 144. Q is equal to plus or minus 12. So value of P is equal to 4 and Q is equal to plus or minus 12. Understood?
Yes.
Clear the method? Any other question down? Sure.
Question number 8.
You told me about it. Nobody else has done it. Okay. Read the 8th question. Now read now.
Solve
Solve.
1200 upon x
1200 upon x
plus 2
plus 2.
the whole into x minus 10
Uh,
minus 1200 is equal to 60.
1 6.
60.
60. That's all.
Yes.
Open the bracket. Opening the bracket in or no? This is good. That is 1200 minus 12,000 upon x plus 2x minus 20 minus 1200. Okay. Multiply by x minus 12,000 plus 2x square minus 20x is equal to 60x. 2x square minus 80x minus 12,000. X square minus 40x minus 6,000. Equation you got?
Yes.
This is the same thing you got? Then what is the change? You are checking whether I know.
No, after that I was not able to say.
100 minus
100 minus 100 plus 60x.
x square minus 100x minus plus 60. Understood or not? Splitting middle term, no problem. Ishani followed. Sanskruti. Went over. Why you went over there? No place. Remaining you can do now. X minus 100 times x plus 60. X equal to 100 or 60. Okay.
Minus
60.
X is equal to 100 or x equal to minus 60. Answer. Okay, answer. Chalo done. Any other problem? Attendance. The last two classes, one fellow was absent. Some fellow was absent in the last lecture. Why? Busy while you're talking? You're telling?
I'm telling you time. I didn't answer.
So innocent people and me. Actually. Okay, now so this is the second exercise we all have done. Okay, now we have to we have to go to the 5.3 exercise. All of you listen here. Behind you people are going and sitting and talking only. Listen here. Now this question we are done by factorization. I'm going to do by another method is called completing the square. I just showed you one question only, you don't have much to do. Okay, how completing the square means I'll shift that constant to the right side. So what we get x square minus 40x is equal to 6000. Now if you look, and the next step is I have to make the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. In this question, it is already coefficient of x square is 1. If not, then divide throughout. Suppose if it was 5x square, we divide. It may come in fraction, it may come in fraction, there is no problem. Now, the next is I am going to complete the square. Complete the square means this is a square. This is minus 2a. To complete the square means we have the identities a square minus 2ab plus b square. If it is a square minus 2ab plus b square is what? A minus b also. If it was instead of minus, if it is plus, then a plus b the whole square. So we need b square term needed. So b square term, what is it means I'll tell you. What is the coefficient of x? What is the half of the coefficient of x? 20. That will be b. Half the coefficient of x will be b. That its square will be added on both sides. How followed? How did you get that b 20 square? Not followed? I'll tell once again. Coefficient, half coefficient of x find out. Coefficient of x is how much? 40. Half of it is 20. Its square is b square. Or if I write x square. Coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 2b. What is the half coefficient of x?
B.
Its square is what? B square. Now you become identity form?
Yes.
So simply I cannot add in one side, so I added the other side also. Now check this one. This is the square is coming or not? This is x minus 20 the whole square is equal to 20 square is how much? 400 plus 6000 6400. Okay, 6800 6400 now. Okay, take the square root. X minus 20 x minus 20 is equal to plus or minus 80. That is x is equal to 20 plus or minus 80. That is x is equal to 20 plus 80 or 20 minus 80. 20 plus 80 is how much? 100.
Minus 60.
This is another way to do. Okay, understood? This is called completing the square. You don't need to learn, just only I've shown how it is. Okay. Somewhat you got, because later higher class and all, sometimes you will see this format. That is why I just shown. I'll erase. Now we have the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is quadratic, where a is not equal to 0. Okay. Now, what the same process I am going to do it. Ax square plus bx is equal to how much?
Minus c.
I am going to divide throughout by a. When you divide by throughout by a, what do you get? X square plus b by ax is equal to minus c by a. I am going to complete the square. What is the coefficient of x?
B by
b by a. b by a. Yes or no? What is the half coefficient of x? Half of b by a or b by 2a. Okay. So its square we are going to add. Plus b by 2a its whole square is equal to b by 2a the whole square minus c by a. Any problem?
No, sir.
This is same as what? X plus b upon 2a is equal to, this is b square upon 4a square minus c by a. Let's simplify. What is the LCM of this one? 4a square. If it is 4a square, what will be the numerator? B square minus a will be removed and 4ac. Are you following?
Yes.
Now you identified what is b square minus 4ac. You are already studied. What is discriminant? Na? Okay, that is it. No need to write this one. No need to learn this one. Now, take the square root on both sides. So what will
B square minus 4ac by 2ac.
So x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon root of 4a square is how much? 2a. Are you follow this also? Okay? I'll shift this to this side. So what will you get? X is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Denominator is common now.
Yes.
So 2a, right? Numerator is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. This is your formula. How it is formula getting followed or not?
Yes.
X is equal to no need to learn this derivation. You no need to do at all. I just shown only how it is getting. Okay, it was not that too difficult. That's why I explained. All the things derivation is not. Okay, are you followed?
Yes.
Yes, sure. You don't need to write this one now. Why you want to write? If you want to, this formula I'll give you now. Don't write this formula. I will give you now. Now below right now. This one is okay. How many of you learned this formula? A lot of hands are up. Okay, hands are up. Okay, you stand up.
Minus b plus minus root of 4h.
B square minus 4.
Who is that? What can you use it down here? Who is that? Minus plus is plus. Okay. Correct. All others, look at the board and learn. All are looking how she is talking. You look and learn now. Okay. Learn. Sure. There you learn. Okay, that's learn from. Have you known now? Then look by formula is proper. You look over here and learn now. Not even right to learn. Learn now. Okay then. Shall we learn? Learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. You learn? Okay. So, right. Otherwise, learn now? Yes. I'll ask you. Right. Letting write down solution of this right by quadratic formula. Solution by quadratic formula. Solution by quadratic formula. Written.
Yes, sir.
Now he's searching for the truth. Now right. Consider the equation. Consider the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Consider the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Next, below right. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b. Look at the board and write down. If b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. 2a is completely. Written all of you?
Yes, sir.
Learned?
Yes, sir.
You have to learn basically this in this chapter main formula. This is the main formula. Okay, if you know this one means all the parts, nature of the roots, this one discriminant, everything in this one. Now see, discriminant is here. You wrote the nature of the roots. You wrote now.
Yes.
Remembering first root, first nature of the root. What did you write? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are. See what it will do. If it is equal to 0, root of 0. Root of 0 is what? 0. Minus b plus or minus 0 is how much? Minus b upon 2a. There is only one root. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, real and unequal. Take any number less greater than 0, let's say 20. Root 20. So minus b plus root 20 and minus b minus root 20 divided by 2. Two solutions you got. Are you followed? That is why real and unequal. Third one, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, why? Root of negative numbers are not defined. Are you followed? Basically that is derived from here only. Okay now?
Yes.
And again after that I give you rational and irrational now. If b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, let's say 25. So root will go, so it will become rational. If it is not a perfect square, root will not go, it is irrational. That is not required. Okay, are you followed all of you?
Yes,
Then this
sir.
formula can be applied only when b square minus 4ac is greater than 1. Otherwise there is no solution. Please don't write that root of negative something and all. You will not get any mark. Okay? Alright. Okay now. Now, while using this formula, if you want, you can directly complete formula you can use. Instead of that one, I prefer always, first you find out b square minus 4ac, then substitute and do it. There is no additional step required. Anyway, in that step itself, we have to calculate. I means, everything together, but sometimes, you make mistake. Those are very much used it, you do it. I have no issues, but at the end, no mistake should happen. You can solve it using quadratic formula.
Yes.
Okay, write the question, 3x square. Using the formula you have to do it. 3x square minus 2x minus 10. 3x square minus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Solve using the formula. Write what is the value of a, b, c, then correct. Return all of you 3x square minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Don't look into others' book, do it. There is somebody is talking. Who is talking there? According to me, first write A, B, C, then find out b square minus 4ac equal to, then you write the formula and substitute. Who is that? If anyone not getting, no problem. We will do it. Don't look at the others. Complete that. Yes. Okay, how many of you got the answer? Whether correct or wrong, forget. We got those who got the answer. Raise hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people got. 3, 4, 5, 6. That much time is enough. Listen here. Stop writing and listen. I will do listen. That is why first and foremost thing is don't try to substitute everything in one line. So b square minus 4ac, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 10. B square minus 2 whole square minus 4 times 3 times minus 10. That is equal to 4 plus 120. That is equal to 124. Why we are doing this one? There is a reason also there. If this value is negative, you don't need to solve. No, if the roots are imaginary, you can stop. Therefore, x equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, we have not additional calculation. Remember, minus b means b is minus 2 means opposite of minus 2 is 2. Plus or minus root of 124 divided by 2 times 3. That is 2 times 3 is coming as how much? 6. Therefore, 2 plus or minus 124 is 31 times 4. That is 2 root 31 divided by 6. This much all of you got. I can take 2 as common. 1 plus or minus root 31 divided by 6, that is cancelled. 1 plus or minus root 31 divided by 3. This is the solution. Beyond that, you cannot do it, but this is the answer. You can keep, if the tables are provided to you, then we will find out root 31. For that one, next class when you are coming, all of you must carry your Selena. Selena textbook is there now? Or whichever the school textbook there behind it. Why is behind the textbook that is there? I will explain to you how to use it. Okay, these all directly there are if 310 comes there. Okay, no need to go up to find the square root using direct method. There are ways are there to find the square root. You studied in the school. Yes or no? No need to make it right. Okay now. If the table is not given, this one. If table is not given, still they ask means you have to direct. Okay. Generally they will not ask that way. Generally ICC always give you if it is not a perfect means. Okay now? No problem? Any problem for this one? Quadratic formula you can apply. All of you learn. By this time I hope all of you learn the formula.
Yes.
Those who are not learned the formula, raise the hand. I am going to ask. Those who haven't learned the formula, raise the hand.
So those who have learned, right?
Not learned. My language some problem is
Can you switch off the fan?
Achha, fan is the problem. Okay. So that means all of you know the formula. I am going to ask one of you. Siftu is looking real. Oh, sorry, you are always looking at me first. I asked you already, na? Now then sit down. No, why always you are the only one telling? Prasad, did I ask you? You know the formula, na? Okay, you tell the formula. Which is correct only? Yes, sir. Yes, correct. Very good. Sit down. Okay. So let's in between I'll ask you. Exercise. I have nothing much to explain now here. Exercise 5.3 we can start now. Before doing, remember always make the equation to the standard form. What is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, so question number exercise 5.3, question number 1. Solve each of the following questions using the formula. First one is x square minus xx minus 20 equal to 27. Each question will be x square minus xx is equal to 27. That is x square minus xx minus 27 is equal to 0. Value of a is 1. Coefficient is not there. B is equal to minus 6. C is equal to minus 27. Find out b square minus 4ac. Minus 6 all square. Minus 4 times 1 time minus 27. 36 plus 108. 144. Write the formula and do it. X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is equal to 6 plus or minus root 144 divided by 2 times 1. That is 6 plus or minus 12 divided by 2. That is 6 plus 12 by 2 or 6 minus 12 divided by 2. 18 by 2 which is 9 minus 6 by 2 which is minus 3. Answer is which are the two solutions? Minus 9 or minus 3. Got the answer? 9 or minus 3. Can't see the board. The answer is 9 or minus 3. Solutions are given right. Remember this one, by if you know the splitting middle term factorization 2-3 times you can do it. Quadratic formula is lengthy format, but if it is mentioned, you have to do by that method. What happened? Any problem? Why is that turn the page? Why is division not going on? So which question? Second one is You would have removed the fractions now, it was easy now. Acha. That is why I was saying. All done. Second part start. Continue. No, start up. Done. Done. First start up. Read the question. Read the question.
2 upon 3.
Huh?
2 upon 3x
2 upon 3x.
equals to
Oh.
minus 1 upon 6 x square
Oh.
minus 1 upon 3.
Minus 1 upon 3. Always try to, you can remove the fraction. Denominators are 3 and 6. What is the LCM? 6. So multiply throughout by 6. So it is 6 into 2 by 3 is coming as what? 4x is equal to minus x square minus 2. X square plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Are we following this page? Fractions remove, then do it. Then, any problem? How did you get this one? Check the denominators. What are denominators are coming? 3, 6 and 3. What is the LCM of 3, 6 and 3? 6. Multiply throughout every equation now. Equation, everything you can multiply. So I multiplied 6. 6 into 2 by 3. 12 by 3 is 4. 6 into minus 1 by 6, minus 1. 6 into minus 1 by 3, minus 1. Okay now? Clear? Then ABC write A1, B4, C2. B square minus 4AC is equal to 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 2. 16 minus 8, which is equal to 8. So formula x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is minus 4 plus or minus root of 8 divided by 2 times 1. Minus 4 plus or minus root 8 is 2 root 2. Right. Take 2 as common and cut it. Minus 2 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus or minus root 2. So answer is minus 2 plus root 2 minus 2 minus root 2. What is it now? Root 8 is equal to 4 into 2 now. Root 4 is 2. Take 2 is common. Cancel. What happened with the doubt? And if not followed, tell us. Loudly speak, sir. I have not followed. This step I have not followed. Stay in the class. Tell no, not followed. Trying to understand. This is followed.
So would it be minus 4
Huh?
equals to minus
This is followed. Huh? No. And this 3 times I explained multiply throughout by 6. That when I was explaining, what happens to Srishti? B is minus 4. How did you get B? Huh? Read the question, Srishti, once again. Srishti. Wait now. Srishti, read the question loudly. I can't hear. Read loudly the question.
2 by 3x equal to minus 1 by 6 square minus 1.
Be quiet now, all of you. Now, how did you get B is minus 4? Tell me. What did you do? This is the same method you have done?
I took 2 by 3x that side.
That this 2 by 3x minus that side means everything will become minus now. So A also minus 1, B is minus 4, C is minus 2. Instead of that, we'll change all the signs. All 3 will be changing the sign, means B will be 4 will come now. Understood or not? Yes or no? More A? Yes. Now what is your problem? Yes. This you followed this one. Till here you followed. Till here you followed. Till here you followed. Root 8 is 8 can be done 4 times 2. 4 in 4 is 2. Root of 4 is how much? 2. 2. Understood or not? Root 12 is how much? 12. Single well no. No need to do mental calculation. You have to do 2, 4, 3 sir. So for 2 root 18 is how much? Which nearest perfect square is there? 9 2s are na 18. 9 2s are na. So root 9 is how much? 3 root 24 is how much? 4 into 6 na. So 4 will come outside. 2 roots. Root 32 is how much?
62.
Root 32, you know, mental calculation here, 16 into 2 is 4 root. Are you followed? Root 50 is how much? 25. Are you followed? That's way, if you're going to factorize and all, it will take time. You can do it. Method is clear. Yes, you. Anything else? Done. Next question, I'm not going to do. You people do. Ritu is ready to do the question. Come in. Srishti, move on there. She cannot jump from there, na? She wanted to do the question. You move out from there. You have one doubt. Which question? She is going to explain to you. That's the point. What else? Root take this 2. Minus 4. This is minus 3 plus minus 4. All reverse. Take 2 as common from here. And the question I need. Okay. Where is my volume? Was there somewhere or something? Question number 3, no? Okay, right. 4 upon x minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 2x plus 3. Correct now? You know what is to be done. If you don't know, I'll tell some hint. LHS take the LCM and cross multiply. But you then first you have to take anyway LCM. That is better. So 4 minus what will go? Is equal to 5 upon 2x. Now cross multiply and do it. What is going on here? So these questions are getting answer 2x plus 3, right? Okay. Next question you are going to do on the board. What to do? Which question? LCM take them. LCM or LCM take LHS. Then cross multiply. Are you followed? You have to take LCM now. Big span of time switched off. Big span. People can't open the door and see. Tell no, I thought this panel will be. What? Acha, hello? What is going on? Presentation is going on. Good, this way you presented. Thank you. Let's all clap for me. 2x plus 3 times 4 minus 3x is equal to 5x. Yeah. 8x minus 6x square plus 12 minus 9x is equal to 5x. Is it so complicated? No. Bring this here and open the bracket. First time seeing, no. Very difficult. So minus 6x square. 8 minus 9 is minus x plus 12 minus 5x is equal to 0. Minus 6x square minus 6x plus 12 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Did you get this equation? Who got this equation? X square plus x minus 2?
Yes, sir.
Then now let's continue. Check formula. What's she doing? Now quadratic formula. A, B, C. Now we have to find out A, B, C. What happened here? Which question are you doing now? Are why fraction and drive written on the board now? You want to do it in the complicated form? Have you seen this how it is solved? He is not able to see. I say problem. Read this one. What is it? Sure. I say problem is there. Hello. Next class on stand up.
So you just sit over here.
Permanently you'll be somebody shouted at you or what? If there is any eye check problem, go for the eye checkup or come and sit in the room. Nobody will help you out this way too. Are you want it over there? You know you are somebody shouted at you. When you shouted at him, then why you went?
So telling him I am sitting in the first bench.
अच्छा next time for the अरे complete ना ABC taken solving done is splitting done you do it to do by quadratic formula quadratic formula use the where is the quadratic formula minus b means where is minus 3 or minus b now see can you see here a is equal to 1 b is equal to 1 c is equal to minus 2 b square minus 4ac 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 2 1 plus 8 9 minus 1 plus or minus root 9 divided by 2 times 1. Be careful. Minus b or minus a. I know this. Minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Minus 1 minus 3 by 2. 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Minus 4 by 2. Answer is 1 or minus 2. Got his answer? Look here. From here, it's solving a splitting middle term is very easy. But you since the formula is, you have to do it by formula. Srishti, what happened? This girl is Ritu is talking only all the time. You completed your work? Did you complete? What is the answer? You come over there and you could not do that. That's why there also no need. She is completed. You are you are by minus 6. So what is it? Plus x minus. It's a calculation is become easy now. This way also you get, but 324 is 18. So 6 plus or minus 18 divided by then 6 plus 18. 1 minus 6 minus 18. What? How can you divide these sections? What can you calculate? Yeah, be careful with the calculations. Moray, which question you are doing?
The fourth part.
Fourth part. Or Dhwani, come here, she wanted to do. She has not done it. You have done it. Question fourth one. 2x upon x minus 4 is equals 2x minus 5 upon x minus 3 is equal to 8 1 by 3 25 by 300. Without mistake, please do y combined work. Leave that one now. Now these all leave. You do this one and do along with one leave question. Otherwise, you will be behind of all the questions. Now, always sit over here. Yeah?
मेरे पास नहीं है.
अरे take it down now. How many friends here keep on there calling and calling only? 5 all since 4 hours are sitting. Nobody is calling only. Not getting. Ishani not able to do following factoring simplification difficult. Oh, you have the exam. Should I write?
No, sir, I don't.
Is equal to $300. 25 cosine how much? 3. Take it to one side. The 2 or 8?
8.
Correct now. Who got the simplification? 30. Who did this question? 13x square. Equation you got? 60 you got the equation? Not yet. Who got the equation? You got the equation? You are copying from there and got. Right, 13x square.
Minus b plus minus.
Who multiplied and got this equation? You also not done. Same equation only you got?
Second.
This is the long one. Because b square minus 4ac is square and down. 118 is 118. What is this? You got the same equation only? Change the sign. Change the sign. 13x square plus 118.
Sir, what is
And then you have a mistake.
What is this?
That you have to multiply by the right. You do it. There is a mistake in sign now. Where did you shift? You shifted to the left side or right side? That means it is minus 30 and that is plus 118. It is minus 50. Okay. What is it? Plus and minus.
13224.
Change now. Plus minus
Say
24 for the 96. 96 into 13, find out.
Four is the right.
Or 3 to 4. Wow, 3 to 4. You have 2 to 4. So now, this calculation is it's all. You got something different. 1 to 4. Check 1. 1 to 4.
Sir, see, I told you.
She wrote first 3 to 4. Finally, she will come to 2 for it. Carefully subtract. All of you check the subtraction.
पूरा नहीं वो साइड डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करने से
नहीं डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करने से
बायो सारा अबे सही में बायो सारा जगह जल्दी कर पहले मैं मजाक में बोल रहा था सीरियसली बोल रहा हूं यार जल्दी
तुझसे तो अच्छा ही कर रही हूं
Change all the lines.
मंत्र पर सोकर उठने का
मुझे आइडिया
बाय सो रहा है
जल्दी गिर रहा है बहुत बड़ा
सर दिस इज समवन
एक्सरसाइज है
एक्सरसाइज से बड़ा
नहीं
नीचे वाली है
अरे बोर्ड पर एक
Which one
Oh,
of the
sorry.
ये देखो वही था ये देखो
13 to 6.
minus plus divided by minus nothing minus 6 minus
निकाल जल्दी निकाल
जल्दी
it is root and common. What she is doing?
Sir, she
Three
was
was it?
2 into 13 is 6.
361 is 19. So 38 will come now. What is 38? 38 into 38. What is 38 into 38? 38 into 38. That plus 38. 38.
So 19 square is 360.
38 into 38. One 156. Sir, 156.
अच्छा.
अच्छा. सही तो किया.
Oh. 26.
26. यहाँ से हो जाएगा पक्का.
अब ये सब कर सकते हैं.
ये सब कर सकते हैं.
Sir, they can do that. They are big enough.
First value is equal to 6 now. First value is 6. Second value is how much? 40 by 30. This is a really lengthy one. Okay, this is first value is equal to 6. Okay. Yeah. Other than this one, yeah, listen here. Ritu. Oh, Ritu. One question when you are going to go to work? Tomorrow. Tomorrow, not Tuesday. Okay, exercise 5.3. Homework exercise. First question. Homework exercise first question. Shivam.